This is LS Fest 2023.
Everybody here is going to absolutely hate us. Found out the radiator was leaking, so we got to fix that. Alright, something's wrong with it. There's a lot of pro guys here. If anything, I'm going to learn some stuff, but I'm a little nervous. Trying to do the best I can and hang with them, you know what I'm saying? That's all I can do. And if I qualify, you guys are going to think I won the event, because I'm going to be going absolutely nuts. So that's my goal, just to qualify.
That right there, that's the winner of last year, and that's going to be our biggest competition. Make sure y'all go to shoprenegade.com for a Titty the Turbo shirt. Get y'all a hat. Yes, sir! Let's go!
Hey! Alright guys, so we're kind of sucking out there, so we're just going to go ahead and get that out of the way. But we're picking up some steam and learning how to do some things. On that last run, when I went to kick it out, the transmission jerked out of my hand and I saw the engine leap out from underneath the hood. So I'm thinking we got an engine mount broke or something, but we got to get that fixed before I can even move the car.
So I love the car, man. What kind of setup you got?
It's a SML from Steve Morris Engines.
What kind of car is this?
It's a 71 Impala.
What kind of times are you running?
We don't give out times on the road race.
Oh, okay.
It makes north of 3,000 horsepower.
How does it ride?
Rides like your car down the highway. It's easy to drive. You'd be surprised.
That's cool. Are you getting a hook?
Oh yeah. On a decent track, it hooks. Garbage tracks, that's kind of tricky. A real good track, it runs like a radio car.
This is going to be our first trial run in the car. I'm a little nervous. Don't really know what to expect. We'll see how it does. So here we go.
What are you hoping for?
I'm hoping for a low 10. I don't want to break into the 9s just yet because I don't have a cage. I don't have the safety features I'm supposed to have. So I'd rather not get kicked out before qualifying.
What happened?
It's a piece of junk. So when I was doing my burnout, it got stuck. Like I wasn't on the gas, wasn't on the brake, and it was just fully running. So I don't fucking know what's going on.
Look at this thing. What do we have here?
73 International, 1210 Camper Special.
What kind of times are you running?
Running 11:20s. Should be anyway. I've not ran that today, but that's usually about what it runs. But it's 4,200 pounds, so that's not too bad. That kind of weight.
Well, good luck. It looks good.
Yeah, so we got like an hour of practice before qualifying, so I'm about to give it all I got. Alright guys, so practice is over. Still not doing very well, honestly. You know, new track, I'm still trying to put it down. not Clarksville. I've got comfortable there. Practicing's over, qualifying's up, so I'm going to give it everything I got and just send it, guys. So let's cross our fingers and let's get this thing through the finish line and qualify. Let's go. Fuck. Dude, it just shot me across the track. I e-braked it. When I hit the fucking brake, it just shot me right in the center of the track, dude. Like, I've been fighting this car. The front end's been pulling me in different directions. I don't know what's going on. It doesn't feel like the typical car that I'm used to, you know? And I'm trying to drive it, and it's just everywhere. As soon as I get into a Monty, it just goes the opposite direction. It will not drift. Hello. Man, I got DQ, guys, so you know, I'm having some trouble trying to control this thing, man. So whenever I went to Monty this thing, I hit the brake and it immediately shot me across the field, man. I almost took some people out. So I gotta get better at kicking it into the drift, man. I'm still learning this thing. It's only been a couple months since I started drifting, so I'm lucky enough to be here, but I mean, unfortunately, I couldn't kick it around that corner. That's my biggest struggle. I was trying to emulate some stuff I did from Streetcar Takeover when we were here, but I just can't. I don't have it in me to get close enough to the wall right now, so I need to do some practicing and work on that. You know, I think a couple trips up here, learning how to drift that corner, getting familiar with it like I am with Clarksville Drift Track. I think I'll be able to conquer it, but right now we got DQ, so we're out. But you know, it's been a fun time, and we got another 2 days of this event to hang out and kick it with my crew and my family and everything else. So I'm happy to be here. Here we go.
Hey, what are we doing?
The one chip challenge for 2023.
All right, this whole thing is open, and look, you see it's all in there, people. Look. Look at that.
Look at it, people.
All right, there you go. This thing is, oh, there's a little bit left.
Oh yeah,
You missed some. You missed some.
Why you doing?
Don't do it.
Don't do it, por favor. My friend, why?
All right, that's all of it. It's empty.
I don't even want to touch the wrapper.
That shit costs shit.
Look at them eyes, though. Look at the eyes, though. They're already starting to water.
Is it hot? It's a little spicy.
You alright, man?
I'm perfectly good.
We figured a lot of things out. So the major thing is we figured out our cranking issue, what cranking no start, so we weren't seeing enough RPM. We put a good starter on it. We were able to overcome that. However, it's still drive-by-wire, and with this moving as much air as it is with this Pro Charger, we couldn't overcome that obstacle. So it actually, this guy.
Love you, buddy.
You too.
You bet you wrecked everything.
Oh God. So it broke the throttle blade in the car, man. So we're kind of stuck on that right now. But you know, we got some things in the works, so not really a big deal. We're missing out on LS Fest, but you know, we got our friends and family here. We're selling some merch. We're doing great things. So we're going to continue to do that and have a good time and make the best of what we got going on. But we got big plans for what we got going on with the PPV and big plans for the drift car.